3 things to look out for after regearing your Tacoma. Number 1, your actuator vacuum hose for your 4-wheel drive. So if that's not connected, this should be the last step of the install. If it's not connected, water's going to get in there and you're not going to be able to activate 4-wheel drive. You'll have a blinking light on your dash. Next, above the differential, the front differential, is a breather. It's way up there. You can see this little breather connector is angled off to the side, and you'll see where it's disconnected. You want to just double check that that is connected so that water doesn't get into your diff case. If water does get in your differential, it's going to overflow when you take out the fill plug, and you're going to see this milky oil come out. And it's going to be because water mixed in with it. The drain plug on the front diff and the fill plug both have a like hex socket. The fill plug is fine, but the drain plug at the bottom is the issue. It's poorly designed. It has a little 10 millimeter hex head socket that is super easy to strip, especially as the heat increases the torque on that bolt. It looks good when it's in, but for safety purposes and future use, one cool thing to get is a Lexus differential plug. It's an upgraded version that has a nice 14 millimeter socket head.